The package you ordered this morning could be at your door this afternoon. Here's how AI is making it happen. First, route optimization. AI calculates the most efficient route for every delivery truck, taking into account traffic, weather, and delivery windows. This saves fuel, reduces delivery times, and allows drivers to complete more stops in a day. It's a massive logistical puzzle, and AI solves it in seconds. Second, warehouse automation. AI-powered robots pick, pack, and sort packages with incredible speed and accuracy. They work 24/7 without breaks, getting your order ready for shipment almost as soon as you click buy. This is how Amazon gets packages out the door so quickly. Third, demand forecasting. AI predicts what products will be popular in what areas. This allows companies to stock inventory in warehouses closer to the customer, reducing shipping times from days to hours. They're not just shipping products, they're predicting the future of commerce. AI is the engine behind modern logistics. It's the reason you can get almost anything delivered to your door in record time. The next time a package arrives, remember the AI that made it possible. Subscribe for more on the AI revolution.